Hello my friends, I'm back again with another unboxing. These are a pair of New Balances that we bought for my son. He wanted a pair of New Balance trainers. He's had his eyes on these ones for a while and he's got his birthday coming up, and so yeah, we thought we'd buy him a new pair of trainers. He loves his trainers. He's probably worse than me for wanting new pairs of shoes, although I tend to go down the hiking shoe route, whereas my son likes does like fashionable trainers. So I'll show you what they look like. Obviously these have been around a little while now. They're very popular, that is for sure, and they do look absolutely stunning, I've got to say. To be honest, I'm on the fence about buying something similar in the future. So folks, this is what they look like out of the box. Tell me what you think. Is this something you'd wear? The younger generation, would you wear these? I think these look absolutely amazing. Personally, I love the New Balance logo in the centre there. So just to let you know folks, I did actually buy these myself. I'm not sponsored and they've not sent me them. I have bought them myself. We paid £85 for them. Yeah, might seem a little bit expensive. We did actually buy them from Flannels. We could have bought them probably a bit cheaper elsewhere, but he wanted them in this black colour with the silver reflections on. So yeah, I think they're nice, aren't they? I'm not a reviewer, folks, of trainers. I just like to show you what they look like. I think they look super nice. 740s. So what do you think? Do you think they look more like a retro trainer from, I don't know, when would you class retro from? They say on the website they're inspired from the original 740s from the 2000s. So I guess you are looking at a 20-year-old design that they've brought back. A lot of the new style trainers now, I don't actually really like. I like this style of trainer. They are really nice, folks. I really like them. So, just giving you a good look. I'll show you the bottom, the soles. I really like the bottom as well. Plenty of grip on these. They're very lightweight as well. I love the mesh. I've always have done anyway. I'm a lover of mesh. Obviously it's not Gore-Tex. But it's got, if you look here, it's got ABZORB midsole to absorb impacts through a combination of cushioning and compression resistance. You've got the moulded New Balance and the moulded N TPU logo here. It comes with speed lacing and it's reflective accents, which I think is brilliant. And then obviously you've got the rubber outsole. They only weigh 308 grams, believe it or not. 308 grams. So they are very lightweight. As for fit, they're meant to be like a regular fit, I do believe. But my son's had to size up slightly, so he's gone 10.5. But his right foot's bigger than his left. And he's like me in that respect. He does wear size 10s, but he does find it a little bit tight on the right foot. So, yeah. These are the New Balance 740s. I think they're a fantastic looking trainer. I really do like them. They're very, very nice, I've got to say. I enjoyed it anyway, folks. I know it's a lot of waffle, and I know it's not a full-on review. Please hit the like button. I'm not a reviewer. I'll just show you what they look like, and you've got to form your own opinions, folks. Go try them on. There's plenty of reviews online of people running around in these and people walking around and kicking footballs, you know, and the usual stuff, and going for days out. So, you know, you find lots of other people doing better reviews than me. This is just me showing you what they look like and what I bought for my son. So, yeah, smash the like button, folks. Thanks for taking the time to watch this. I really, really appreciate it. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye.